I'm Mark. We're at the Mobility and Devices Zone. I'm with Max from the Chrome Enterprise team. So Max, tell us, what is Chrome Enterprise?
So very simply put, Chrome Enterprise is an OS, it's a browser, and it's devices all built for the enterprise. When we talk about Chrome Enterprise, it captures our consumer brands of Chromebooks, Chrome OS, and Chrome Browser, all used in that enterprise context.
So what is the Cloud Worker?
The Cloud Worker is it's a thought leadership campaign that we have, and it's supposed to talk about the new ways of working. If you think about a new type of employee, they're accessing from more devices than ever before. They're using more SaaS-based applications than ever before, and this is creating new paradigms. Employees want to be able to access their data from wherever they are, and they want to be able to access it from all their devices.
So what's an example of someone that might be a Cloud Worker?
We think that any type of worker can be a cloud worker.
Sure.
At this booth today, we're actually showcasing sales reps, frontline cloud workers. We also have marketing cloud workers. We have software engineering cloud workers. We're also showcasing IT administrators and how they can manage the cloud workers in their organization.
Okay, let's take a look at one.
Sure. So here we have, for instance, a sales rep. So a sales rep, if you think about it, what they're doing on a daily basis, they could be calling their customers, they can be reviewing pitch decks, they could be updating their CRMs. So in this booth, we wanted to show how somebody who is a sales rep could be doing that here. So in this demo, we actually have Cisco WebEx. If you press play on the demo, you'll actually see the balls in the display go up the tube, keeping it a little fun. In the demo, what we're actually showing is that a Chromebook, not only can you be a participant in a call, but you can be a presenter as well. So we're excited to showcase that here. We're also showcasing here software engineering cloud workers, marketing cloud workers, and IT administrators as cloud workers and as the folks who would be making sure that their employees are secure.
Perfect. So we're really seeing how different types of people in the industry can really take advantage of the cloud and transform what they normally do into a much more cloud-centric way.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. So where can people go if they want to learn more?
Sure. If they'd like to learn more, best place to go is cloud.google.com/Chrome-enterprise. We just revamped the website in the past few weeks, so hopefully there's a lot of new information there for you to learn about Chrome Enterprise.